Hi friends, today I will show you secrets of wacky wizards. But if you didn't see my before video wacky wizards, another video, this is the part 2 of that video, part 2 secrets. So if you didn't see that video, click that first link down below and see it. So first, the another secret of this are, again guys, we need Robux for this, and we'll also need bird. Now I'll take this, and I made a flybox potion. Now that secret will be like, we need to go up, and here we'll go here. So we'll go here. Now in here we'll just go down, and here the cave club. This is a very big secret. I also didn't know. This is the latest secret I know. Here you can find this item, Fox's head. So now we'll exit. We'll just teleport to our portal. Now I'll, and first in my before video, I said that I'll make you how to make the DNA potion, but sorry guys, I couldn't make it. I didn't make it first. So first I'll tell you how to make it first. We'll just burn this, and this is an item. For I told you the secret, and now you need to teleport to your quadrant and make a giant potion. If you don't know how to make it, I will tell you first. You just need to add giant ear some, and then take it. You need to add 3 giant ear. After that you spawn the potion and take it. Now here, for I burned it by taking chili and just burned it. I in my Wacky Wizards part 1 of this video, I made you show that where to get chili from, so you can see from there, and from the chili you can burn that grass, and then after just coming here you will do this parkour, come here and use this item, then from that you can lift this giant key, then you can open it. But I've already done this. I've already done it, that's why it's open for me. So after that we'll just drop this item giant key, then we'll go to a code run, because right now we'll make the DNA potion. First that we'll just take this out and add a fairy in this quadrant, 2 fairies. Now we'll take destiny potion, use it. Now we'll take this out and reset our character. I reset after. I should reset first. So we'll just do it again. Potion, use this. After you get small, you will get on this and click on drain. Oh, I didn't make it that much large, so I'll take it again. And you need 2 fairies. You just take 2 fairies, drink it, then you will get small. I'll put another fairies in there, another fairy. Then I'll take destiny potion, I'll use it. Now I am more small. Now we'll click on drain. We'll just need to go inside this. I don't know why it's happening, but I'll use one more fairy and use this tiny potion. Wait, what? Okay, this is getting a problem. I'll reset my character and tell you. First, we'll take this fairy and put it here. Then we'll take another fairy and put it here again. Now we'll take this potion out and use it. Now we're getting small. After this small, you'll take here again and use it. After that, you'll drain it and you should go inside it. If you're not going, you'll reset your character again, and then after that you'll pour 5 fairies in this. We'll pour 5 fairies in this quadrant, 3 fairies in the 5th fairy, and then we'll just take this and use it. Now we'll get smaller and get here. So look, we came here and now I have my potion. So I'll take this out and spawn this potion. So this is my DNA potion. Now we'll take it to that. We'll go there and take it to them. The place we need the collector, we'll take it to collector. We'll go in here again and go. After we reach, we need to give this to the collector. So now we take this potion and do this. We'll do this. We'll do this. Do. Now we reached here. So we'll get here and give the DNA potion to the collector. Here, I'm not able to interact. First, I'll drop this and interact with it. I can't not interact because I've done this quest. So after you interact and give the DNA potion, you will just make it and we'll talk to him. And if I will join the wizards, you need to click where it's done, then you can get another secret item called the punching love. Now for another one we are taking this Robux. Now per so I'll use this. Now wait, what was this? I might add something in this, but I don't care right now. I'll just make the Robux potion again. So Flybucks potion in me. Robux in this, then bird. Now Flybucks, use it. So now I'll teleport to a quadrant. So we did a mistake. Just remove this. We need to not pool noodle. Drop this item. We need to pour giant 5 giant ear in the quadrant. Here I'll take this. Here, and then here. You'll put 5 giant ear in this. After that, you'll take this giant portion. And we'll just keep it in this to a safe area. We'll drop this here so nobody can take it, because we need to do one more thing. We'll just take the dynamite and click it here and take giant and nuclear. So this is, we need this to take the wall out. Here we'll just get over here and take this wall out and use this. Now I'll this and boom. After taking this out, we'll just take a flybox potion again. First we'll take this out and take the flyback potion, because we need to take the giant potion from there, and for that we need the flyback potion. Oh, sorry, I put it before. I'll put the bird, because I just spawned potion and the bird didn't went in that properly. So we'll take the giant potion from there. Oh yeah, it disappears when it dies. Sorry, I forgot that it disappears. So we need to make the giant potion again, guys. I'll make the giant potion again. Here we need to pour 5 giant potion, not pool noodle, 5 giant ear, not this chameleon. The giant ear here. Now the giant ear here. And this here too. Now it's poured. Now we'll take the giant potion and go to the area where we busted our nuclear. We'll go to the space, because in this we need to. This is no fly zone, meaning no double jump zone. So now we'll pour our potion, because we can't cross the lava. If we pour our potion into the spoon gets bigger, and we do it now. We'll go to a quadrant and make a small potion. We'll take this out. I'll drain it only so it can get all out fast. Take fairy. First we'll take this tiny potion and go to the we go to the place. We'll go here because we need the tiny potion, because as you can see that weight lift, if we don't drink the tiny potion, it will take us down in the lava, because it wouldn't carry our weight when we are giant. So we'll drop a potion, reset our player, because actually we need to do this whole parkour. If we just take the flying and do the parkour and get that objective, get the secret deer watches, so it won't happen. So here you'll get it. We'll get here, drink this potion, then we'll just get small and it will take us there up. Then we'll just do this. We'll do this parkour. Oh shit, I fall down. So bye guys, I'll tell you more secret in the next video. Then till bye, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel. Bye.